Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Kisina. So I'm going to presenting to you introduction of this blender. In the world of modern cooking appliance, thermal physics has been applied to invented the cooking blender. With its innovative design and multifunction, this kitchen machine has revolutionized the way we prepare meals. In blender, the rotating shaft of the motor is connected to a blade assembly or a blending mechanism in the blender child. As the motor shaft spins, it transfers the mechanical energy to the blade, causing them to rotate rapidly. The rotational motion of the blade then processes the food ingredients inside the blender, chopping, blending, or puring them depending on the selected speed and settings. To summarize, the electrical energy from the power source is converted into mechanical energy through the motor, which is then used to drive the blending mechanism and perform the desired food processing task in the cooking blender.
Okay, now I will tell you about the objectives of Super-Duper blender. First, to encourage people to eat healthier and living a good lifestyle. Second, to help people prepare for chopped ingredients efficiently. Third, to save energy consumption and time.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatimah. Today I will present to you guys about what key need will you need. First, save time. We can save our time while cooking because a sharp blade that is connected to a rotating mechanism makes the material blend faster than the normal blender. Secondly, multi-purpose. With this high-speed blender, it is not just only for cooking but also can be used for crushing the ice, pure roasted vegetables or fruits, and also can grinding the nuts. Thirdly, affordable. This blender is able to be bought by people who do not earn a lot of money. The cost is around 320 ringgit Malaysia. Next, the blender has a better quality than normal blender because the Super-Duper blender has been upgraded to be more efficient and also durable and long-lasting. Lastly, adjustable speed control. We can adjust the motor's operating speed to control the result. Next, whose skin needs specifically. For individuals such as housewife, it can make it easier to prepare the ingredient for cooking while managing the house chores. Next, student culinary. They can also save the time to complete the cooking task on time. While for companies, kitchen workers at a restaurant are able to prepare their food faster. Next, beverage company, they can blend various drinks such as smoothies, milkshake, and any juice.
How often do people experience this problem and when? The problem is, firstly, broken blender lid because of blunt knife. Secondly, overgreen ingredients. And thirdly, can put a lot of ingredients because the capacity of the blender. And lastly, certain of blender has noise when we use it. So when will this problem occur? The problem will occur when we do some cooking and making DIY beauty, making arts, or we are prepare some of experiment item. How big the problem for user and customer? First, inefficient and food waste, which is we need to struggle to blend the ingredients evenly and consistency. It leads to inefficient blending, resulting in waste ingredient and need to repeat blending attempts. Second, replacement and repair costs. If a blender stops working unexpectedly, user may have to incur costs for repairs or replacement the parts. And third, loss of time and productivity. Dealing with a multifunctioning blender can be time-consuming and frustrating. And then it have to spend the time for the troubleshooting the issue or contacting customer support. For safety concern, multifunctioning blender can pose safety risk to user. Example, if the blend becomes loose or the blender overhead, it can lead to accident or injuries. And last but not least, unplanned purchase, which is if a blender stops working unexpectedly, user may need to purchase a new blender immediately even if it was not in their budget. This can lead to unplanned, expensive, and financial stress.
Next, what will happen if that need is not met? Number 1, fewer options for food preparation. This blender allows for various food preparation like smoothies, purees, sauces, soups, and dressings. Without blender, this option would be limited and to get smooth texture may become challenging. Number 2, having trouble chopping and grinding. Chopping and grinding thus would be difficult without blender. People need to use knife, mortar and pestle, or manual food processor that require more effort and time to chop vegetables, nuts, herbs, and spices, also basically used to grind coffee beans and grains. At the Super-Duper blender promote to facilitate users preparing ingredients easily and efficiently. Number 3, requiring more time for ingredients preparation. Blender provide efficiency in quickly blending ingredients together. Food preparation time may increase and take longer to achieve the desired texture and consistency. Number 4, increased dependence on product purchase in store. People will more relying on store-bought products and processed food like sauces and dressings that readily available in stores. These products are basically has many additives and preservatives.
What is unique approach to meeting this need? First, can set time. It means that the user can do the editing at the same time they using our blender. 2. Had 3 options. Semi-grind, grind and dice. Third, energy efficient, consuming less power without compromising the performance. 4. Noise reduction technology. With this approach, that means our blender can make a less noise than the other blender. 5. Improve new blend and durability, which is we will upgrading blender shape to be more sharper and more durable, also resistant to wear. 6. Longevity and warranty. Users often seek blenders that are built to last. So when we offering longer warranty periods can make users more confident to buy our product. 7. Partnership with health and wellness events. 8. Collaboration with influencer. With these two types of approaching, we will gain more attention between the users.
I'm going to presenting to you what is your solution broadly speaking. First is motor power. The mechanical energy in a cooking blender is primarily generated by its motor. The motor converts electrical energy from the power source into rotational mechanical energy, which drives the blades of the blender. The power rating of the motor, typically measured in watts, indicates the rate at which the motor can convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Second, the blade rotation. The mechanical energy generated by the motor is used to rotate the blades of the blender. As the blades spin, they create a swirling motion within the blender jar, which is essential for blending, chopping, or pureeing food ingredients. The rotational speed and the torque of the blades determine the effectiveness of the blending process. Last but not least is food processing. The mechanical energy provided by the blender's motor enables it to process food ingredients. As the blade rotates, they exert mechanical force on the food, breaking it down into smaller particles, mixing the ingredients together and promoting the desired texture. This mechanical energy helps to transform raw ingredients into smoothie, sauce, soup, and other culinary creation. Any technical issues that we can solve in this product is temperature control. Precise temperature control is crucial in thermal physics experiment. The cooking blender should be equipped with accurate temperature sensors and a robust control system to maintain the desired temperature throughout the process. The control system should also be capable of responding quickly to any fluctuations in temperature. Next is the safety features. Safety is paramount when dealing with thermal physics experiment. The blender should be equipped with appropriate safety features such as thermal overload protection, emergency shut-off mechanism, and insulation to prevent accidental burns. Additionally, any electrical components should be properly grounded and isolated from the heat source. The last technical issue is cleaning and maintenance. Thermal physics experiment can sometimes involve messy or sticky substance. Designing the blender for easy cleaning and maintenance is essential. Removable parts, smooth surface, and dishwasher-safe components can facilitate the cleaning process and ensure the blender is ready for the next experiment.
Conclusion. To sum up, this Super-Duper blender has been upgraded and can be a flexible kitchen appliance with a variety of uses that enable users to experiment with different recipes and delicious creations. The innovation of quality and design of the blender used provide most efficient result for the desired texture and consistency. Safety first, just to be sure to observe safety precautions and completely clean the blender after use.